Welcome back to Blockchain Besties. Have you ever wondered how trusted payments can happen without a bank? Or how blockchain is poised to revolutionize not just money transfers, but the flow of goods and information globally? Stick around as we demystify blockchain and explore its transformative potential. What is blockchain and why does it matter? Blockchain is more than a buzzword. It's a groundbreaking technology reshaping the way we think about transactions. Blockchain is a decentralized database, often referred to as a digital ledger. Unlike traditional systems that rely on a single entity, like a bank to validate transactions, blockchain leverages a network of computers or nodes to approve and record every exchange. This distributed nature ensures that no single entity can manipulate the data, making it inherently secure and transparent. Blockchain's openness provides a way to build trust without relying on intermediaries, significantly reducing costs and inefficiencies. How does blockchain work? Understanding blockchain starts with the concept of a distributed ledger. Imagine you and two accountants, called miners, each have a record of all transactions. When you make a new transaction, the information is sent to the miners for validation. The first miner to verify the transaction shares their proof, and if the other miner agrees, the transaction is approved and added to the ledger. This decentralized validation process ensures accuracy and trust without needing a central authority. Whether on a public internet blockchain or a private network, transactions are recorded in real time across hundreds or thousands of computers, making the system virtually tamper proof and highly reliable. Why isn't blockchain mainstream yet? Despite its potential, blockchain adoption faces challenges. Concerns about trust, regulatory compliance, and scalability are among the top barriers. Many organizations worry about aligning blockchain systems with existing legal frameworks. Additionally, while blockchain offers transparency, not all businesses or governments are ready to embrace this level of openness. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your network. I hope we become blockchain besties